Hey everyone, welcome back to Winter's Small Farms. Today we're going to be looking at this John Deere round baler. It is the 535. This is a toy from Ertl. You can see there on the back, it's an ordered toy. Picked this up at the Metropolis Farm Toy Show back in summer of 2022. Finally got around to making a video on it. Already had one, but you could see it was not in great shape. And actually there's a few differences in between them. But yeah, the sticker was pretty beat up on that other one. Yeah, see copyright 1992 on the back there. You can see this is a 90s toy. So we got it out of the package. See, the paint's in great shape. The stickers are in great shape. 535 John Deere. But yeah, it's all in all pretty neat toy. There goes the hay bale. See, there's the hay bale that come with it. It's a little different size than other bales we got, and a little different bit of color. So that's pretty neat. I don't know if that's the original color or if over time it broke down or anything, but here's a comparison between the two. You can see the different green color because just over time. See, the stickers are shot on this one. That one didn't come with a bale. I can't remember if we got it from a antique mall or someone had a bunch of toys and gave it to us. Yeah, see, focus there. You can just see the John Deere on that one. Can't really see the number. It is a little different. There was a little hole in the back of the other one, and there wasn't on the old one. So, I mean, I picked it up pretty cheap. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks.